Hi guys, in today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to number rows in Google Sheets. This can be particularly useful when dealing with large data sets, so let's dive right in. Alright, so begin by opening the Google Sheet containing the data you want to number. Just ensure you're in the right spreadsheet before proceeding. Now, choose the cell where you want to initiate the numbering. This will be the starting point for the row numbers in your sheet. Now, navigate to the Formula tab located at the top of the Google Sheets interface. So, this is where we will craft the formula to automate the row numbering process. Now, in the formula bar, type equals array formula. So, this function allows us to apply a formula across an entire range efficiently. So, ensure the cursor is inside the parentheses. Now, inside the array formula, type row. So, this function will retrieve the row numbers of the selected range. So, make sure the cursor is inside the parentheses of the row function. And then next, specify the range of rows you want to fill with numbers. So, for example, if you want to fill the numbers for the first 20 rows, then type 1 over 20 inside the parentheses. So, adjust the range based on your requirements or needs. Then, after that, complete the formula by adding a closing parenthesis. So, your formula should look something like this. And if you choose to number the first 20 rows, then press enter to execute the formula. Then observe how the selected column is now populated with sequential row numbers, so now each cell corresponds to its respective row in the defined range. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to efficiently number rows in Google Sheets. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.